All right, I want to show you guys the results of this electric composter. Okay, so this is, it's part of it is about 3 days old. Part of it is about 24 hours old. Okay, this was last night's pasta food scraps. This was a little bit of extra charcoal from a fire. This was some squash. This was some cucumbers, some old carrots, some banana peels. Okay, just about 24 hours for most of this. There's no smell to this. It is dry. It's fluffy. You can see, I mean, there's, like I can spot a couple of the cucumber seeds in here. There's a couple of like the pieces of charcoal in here. Okay. But this is impressively dirt adjacent. It's not fully dirt. Okay. It's almost like dusty dirt, okay, but very impressive for 24 hours. Now, how do you actually use this? Well, if you've got a garden, honestly, we just use this to top dress stuff. So we're growing some hibiscus right here for tea. I'll just take this and just put it right on top of the soil, just like that. Okay, the millipedes and worms and things like that, they're gonna come in, they're gonna eat that, they're gonna digest that, and pull all of those nutrients into the soil. We're doing this every 2 or 3 days. We have a family of 6 with a lot of food waste. We've got a lot of young kids, so there's a lot of extra like banana peels and stuff the kids aren't eating. And this is able to handle 100% of our extra food waste, which is wild. I mean, we've tried a lot of different compost. I mean, you can see I've got composting buckets over here, okay? Those were not enough. I was filling every single one of those and still trying to find places to put my extra compost. This handles all of our compost, and within about 24 hours, it turns it into almost dirt. It's like pre-dirt, okay? And then I'll just compost that in place, just doing some top dressing. You can bury that. You could put that into a composter. You could mix that in with like biochar or whatever. There's lots of different options that you can do with this. But the base product that comes out of this, incredible. So it will take a while to fill up. So I'm usually emptying this about every 5 days or so. And for us, that's perfect. But yeah, we had a little bit extra this week. So this is a 3-day empty. Leave a little bit at the bottom because you're going to want all of those, like the microbes and things like that are already in there to help break down the new stuff. So don't fully empty it. Take about, let's say, 70, 80% of it out. Leave a little bit at the bottom, and then you're going to be golden. It's going to help break everything down much faster.